Sali daw kita. Ah. This is the palace. What's the name of the palace, Kat? The Grand Palace of Thailand. Wow.
Ito ang Emerald.
Okay, Emerald Palace. Historical place na setting of the movie The King and I, di ba, Kat? Okay, the setting of the movie The King and I. This palace. Okay, very nice.
Oh, within a complex naman.
Very nice.